Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Young Men's Christian Association Shillong hakahnyo tre uno pra arhajar arpuar kalapenlong nakajingi Lehkmen Khristmas haringkat kisamna kanthei bat shinrang bat kinong yalam ka Ymca Shillong kani ka jing Rakhe Lehkmen Christmas kani ka kenhuan mentau snem kalong ka baitanat bha namar layo bani shimentalang deki babon kisamna puli lengba kisur jing rwai layo ru ka jing ai khublei bat ka khubor Christmas no Bishop Purely Lingdo ubadeu president ka Ymca Shillong.
A very short story about it's a kind of a legend of a biologist. This person has a great love for ants. It says that every day this biologist would go to the place where the ants were and would feed them every day. Every day he would not miss feeding the ants and observing them how they work and how they spend their days. It so happened that one day he heard the news that the government will construct a dam right at the place where the ants were living. And this has made him very, very sad, because if the government set the dam there, all the ants will be destroyed. So what would he do? If he take a spade and take them by force from the place and take him to another place, it might hurt them, it might kill some of the ants. So he was thinking what to do to save the ants. So eventually he decided that I'm going to be the ant, one of the ants, and go to them and tell them the news that this place which you are living here will be destroyed by the government. The only option is to go to another place. So he became an ant and spoke to them, and they listened to them because he's one of the ants. And that's how he could save all the ants from the destruction. And Christmas is also a time which reminds us that God took the form of the flesh. Jesus left his heavenly home, came to us, became one of us, and gave us this beautiful news that we can be saved. This world will be burned, destroyed, like Marwa had just reminded us in this speech, that he has prepared a place for us. So this is just a place which we are here living temporarily, but there's a better place which Jesus has prepared for us.
Ada Bishop Purely Lingdo, but mentang along President jang ke Ymca Shillong. Ymca kedai sing organisation ke keleng pertain. But kat nongi kemen isno tunat ki ango iblay pa ke Ymca kaladan bu Shillong abon bun sepenta. Away ni ki program ka Ymca ka sedang nado pas Islam ka mensra along computer education training ya ki na samla. Kat no kalong kemen ki internet pada ki spangot ki kena samla na Shillong berher na road Shillong ada port Shillong di Bashim kabu ya gani ka center ko Ymca kedan ador ka jingseu ka ba ya pher nagi we pat ki institute ko ai gitu training pat kat no ba ni na samla sama gitu kala nang kiu siapa kiu ada nang tip kamtam ada ka computer training computer education. Ymca Shillong kaju penlong ki program ki prepare ni kena samla but manusnan for Christmas ki penlong ki Christmas program and they have ni ki arslem ko naga mani Islam sanjo man ai dosnan ki kemen ki sotan nat lang para ni kena samla kita wa penlong ya ni Christmas celebration but ni ya kajing hon kajing kemen kajing ki kaliya one lot baro but kajing shimanta kajing ki hagani Christmas celebration kani kalau celebration kama kelang ke persai kile for Christmas kani kalau ini program kaba don kam kongsan yangir kong ke Ymca lengba kini ki samla shalman kan thai ke ni angu iblay bangila long ita manta kasung lor ke jeng yashim benta ke jeng ki orang ke yashim benta bat kumjoru kubor ke ba ini biasno ai reverend Langstik belong veini member tini it's ai kubor Christmas taki ko sama ke jeng benta gini ki batch ki don ba chispa akusanwa ke hage chisnam ki bon ke batch Bamanta ke don chispa akusan telah di kemi ki snam ki number ki hajar ki kena ke la ya ajumatai maka bayam si te naga bayam si ngi ko awan ai ki bay ka jalla hi bro we Shillong ke jongi ki play Christmas se baro wada pedeng ki jing jia hagi bena ini bena adab jing jia ki basosi ki ba bentut ki imlang salang ringi so tunat ni ai ngi blai ba gila ban long ini program the Christmas kan wan kan long ni ai ki blai ja ki no chung snong ki lai baro ni Christmas ka sut Lehkmen ba hagi jing celebration ke Christmas jing kurku ki jong blai lembau di supres ki long lem but ki no chung snong ka lai baro ko Blame na yalam ni ke jalla ke tumi ba khantam iki khon samla shanang kan thai kena kyu shapra haki ban ta baro chung ke chung em ke chung